Welcome back to Fast Take Tuesday. If you have a square body and you still have that original headliner in it, more than likely it's falling apart or even missing at this point. So if it is, go ahead and head over to our website to pick up a TMI headliner for your square body. Now the TMI products are very awesome. They are high quality and always easy to install. And the best part is you can actually purchase these in multiple different colors to be able to customize your interior however you like. The base of the headliner is molded out of fiberglass and then covered in a premium durable automotive grade vinyl. It has a pre-cut dome light and visor openings in the fiberglass, and the dome light and visor openings will need to be cut into the vinyl covering. Now TMI does leave a little bit of excess vinyl off to the side of the headliner to be able to suit your needs and to be able to make the install a lot easier. And like I said, you can purchase this in multiple different color options to be able to customize your interior.